Hey guys, we're back for our part 3 of validation in PHP. So the code is done already and tested already, so we're not going to go step by step. This is going to help us to at least save some time for you and me. So we ended up whereby we already did a button here. This button, we gave it a name, which is called Mr. Submit. So we gave the button a type, which is submit. We only gonna validate one text field. So we come here and say if is set Mr. Submit, which is this guy. So we use this function called is set to check if the button is checked, or if the button is clicked, then do this. You get me? So before you click the button, nothing should happen. So now here you're gonna say our button starts here. So what we do, we say we declare this guy first name here, then we come in here and say if empty this guy, if there's nothing this guy inside this text box, echo please type first name. So you're gonna tell the user to please type the first name. If the button is clicked and we find the guy didn't put anything, so it's gonna tell him to type something. So then it goes to this line, which is called exit. This function also help us to terminate the code, so it will never proceed from here if this condition is not true. So it gives the message, then it stops here. Can we prove it? Yes, we can. So let's go. Yes, we go here and we say if nothing is put, we're not going to put anything. We say click, it gives us this thing, then it ends there. So let's prove that that thing ends there. So we're gonna copy and paste this here, so this message will never be displayed, because I'm gonna say please, I'm gonna say I can't be displayed. Yes, so we save. So when we come here and we refresh and we don't put nothing, then we click yes, it's only give us this. So simply means, so let's put this out, we cut it off and we put it after this. So it means it's gonna give us all these two lines. Just we wanted to prove that that can't be displayed. If I say yes, you see it give us two. So it simply means our function works. This function which says exit, so it will exit, it will terminate the codes if things didn't go well. Okay, yes, let's go quickly. But else, if this guy put something in here, it's gonna come here and display the name which is being put there. So our code ends there anyway, guys. So let me do a little bit of zoom in. Yeah, so let's go try test the codes. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe on our channel. So look, we're gonna hit the subscription button, please. So when we put something like MUSA post, yes, give us the name. And also maybe put in something else like DLH DLAMINI. Yes, you see, so everything's good. That you can say Fred. Yes, so that's what we call validation in PHP. So we only validated text. There are a couple of things we have to do in our maybe next tutorial to show you how to validate some other stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.